मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं एक छोटा सा वीडियो बनाऊंगा जिसमें हम लोग हैंग आउट के ऊपर मीटिंग कैसे शेड्यूल करते हैं वो देखेंगे। क्योंकि अचानक से लॉकडाउन हो जाने के कारण से कोविड-19 के कारण जो लॉकडाउन हुआ कोई भी प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं था। और इस बीच में हमारे को एक जूम नाम का एक सॉफ्टवेयर मिला जिसको बहुत ही लाइक किया गया। इट इज़ अ वेरी यूज़र फ्रेंडली application which can be used on mobiles, Android as well as iOS, and वो PCs के ऊपर, लैपटॉप्स के ऊपर भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से यूज़ किया जा सकता था। लेकिन कुछ सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न्स और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की एडवाइजरी के कारण से बहुत से लोगों ने जूम ऐप सा यूज़ करना बंद कर दिए और उसको अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया। ऐसे में ऑनलाइन कनेक्टिविटी, लाइव कनेक्टिविटी के लिए सभी लोग दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स, दूसरे ऑल्टरनेटिव्स को ढूंढने लगे। तो ऐसे में मैंने भी गूगल हैंगआउट को एक्सप्लोर किया एंड आई फाउंड दैट गूगल हैंगआउट इज़ अगेन very user friendly and it is very similar to Zoom, almost having all the features of Zoom. There are certain advantages of the Hangout over the free version of Zoom, such that like that in Zoom we have a limitation of 100 people or 100 participants to join at a time with a time limit of 40 minutes in the free version, whereas in Hangout we can include 250 participants at any point of time with no time restrictions. So that is an advantage, and it is very simple to schedule a meeting on Hangouts. So first of all we will see how to do it. I think that everybody is having a Gmail account these days. So we will open our Gmail account, and once we open the Gmail account, what we will do is we see 9 dots, clicking upon which we see that there are list of Google apps associated with your account available for use, which includes the Gmails, which includes the Google Classroom, which includes the YouTube, which includes the calendar, so for drives, Google Sheets, Google Slides, etc. So we will first go on to the Google Calendar, because we will be able to schedule our meeting through Google Calendar only. So supposing I want to schedule a meeting for today, what I will do is I will open the today's date in Google Calendar. What we can do is we go to calendar and schedule a meeting in Hangout in the given time slot. So today is 28, we go to 28 and click upon 28. So it will give you different time slot wherein you can host the meeting, wherein you can schedule. So supposing I want to schedule a meeting between 4 to 6. So what I will do is I will take a time slot and book it for 4 to 6. Then date is already selected. Down below the date and time we have the add guest option. Now what I have done is I have already prepared a list of the students in the comma separated file having the Gmail IDs or their mail IDs rather. I will select, copy paste them, and then I will again move back to my Google Calendar and click on the add guest, and I will copy it over here. Now I'll have to go to the add video or phone conferencing. I'll select that particular option and I will have a join with Google Meet option, wherein this will be selected and it will give a give an option, and there is no need to add anything else, and we will save it. Once we save it, it will ask to send the invitation to all the participants or guests whom we have added in the account. Now once we add this, it will ask certain more questions like inviting external guests. I will say okay, and then it will automatically shoot a mail to the participants. In fact, I have one thing which I could not do while telling was the adding the title. I will add a title to this here saying that class of financial management. financial management, and I'll save it, and it will get updated, and the students will get an intimation, and it is so easy to schedule a class. Now when you have to open the class or a meeting, it is very simple. Just go to the Google Calendar again and click on this particular place, and here you will have to just click on join with Google Meet, and you will see another screen wherein the Google Meet window will open. You will see that you are present on the meeting. There are some participants who have already joined in or are getting ready, and then you just have to click a button over here on the right hand side which says join meeting, and you will be joining as the organizer of the meeting, and you can conduct the meeting or you can conduct the class as per your requirement. So I feel like that scheduling a class or scheduling a meeting on Google Hangout is very easy, or is as easy as Zoom. The only difference is that a link used to be generated in Zoom, whereas which we used to forward it either through text message or WhatsApp. Against this, Hangout directly takes care of sending the link to the participants through their mail IDs, and we need not to do anything else for inviting the participants. The only thing is, or the better part is, that once the mail is forwarded to the participants, they will be in a position to give their consent, like they can either give their confirmation for joining the meeting, or they can inform that they are not available and hence they will not be joining the meeting, and what not. Or somebody may be indecisive of whether he'll be joining or not joining the meeting. That can also be communicated through reverse mail. That's all for today. I think that scheduling a meeting on Google Hangout is very easy, and I recommend that everybody should use this particular platform, which doesn't have, or as far as our knowledge on date today is concerned, doesn't have any security concerns, and we can enjoy the taking sessions online on Google Hangouts. Thank you very much. Calendar